Hey guys, welcome back to Technology. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the i7s-TWS truly wireless headphones. Let's go. Okay, let's unbox this now. So we have some bubble wrap and I have gotten the black color. Wow, this is so huge. So as you can see, when compared to the i9s-TWS, it's much bigger in all dimensions. Let's keep that aside. Let's see what is inside the box. We have a pretty standard looking micro USB cable and an instruction manual. Firstly, let's look at the case. It does have a button at the back, but I'm not really sure what it does. The earbuds themselves are not magnetic and do not clip on into the case like the i9s-TWS. In this specific set, I realized that one earbud was harder to pull out of the case when compared to the other earbud. The lid is also not magnetic, it doesn't clip on automatically. The sound quality is definitely not the best, but it is reasonable for the price of $9.90. The main problem of these earphones are that the bass is not very strong. However, the mids are there and the high ends are decent. Now let's look at the controls. If you press the button once, the current track will pause or play. A long press on the button will cause it to skip track. Double tap will automatically call the last person in your call log. I'd like to add one more thing about these earphones. They have a huge battery and they last pretty long. Overall, these are my impressions on the i7s-TWS truly wireless earphones. I think it's really a great choice for those who are looking for a really cheap pair of truly wireless earphones. Overall, I think these earphones are a great deal for the price. I'll link these in the description below if you want to go and check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be posting more videos soon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.